Darren Lawhorn here, SunUp America CEO. If you're still considering our competition and you have a flat roof, you're going to want to watch this video. Now, flat roofs have the highest potential for roof leakage because of the puddling that happens on those roofs when it rains. Now, for now, that's okay, but when you have 20 or 30 holes now in that roof to install your solar system, it could end up being a problem. So let's talk about how most companies install today. So they drill their 20 or 30 lag holes into the roof and they install something called a standoff. It's just a pipe that sits up above the roof and then they land rails across it and then they put all the solar modules down. The issue with that is it's not very strong. As the wind blows, it will sway slightly back and forth, and over time, the lag hole will start to bore itself out. At some point, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years down the road, that point of attachment is going to fail, and it's going to cause a roof leakage for you, which is going to be a huge problem, especially if the company that you're dealing with is subcontracting out their installs. So let's talk a little bit about how SunUp does it. So SunUp uses a company called Everest. Everest has a system called the CrossRail Tilt Up System. It's specifically built and engineered for flat roofs, and it's over-engineered for strength and reliability to last the life of the system. Now, the question is why? So at every point of attachment, there's structural assemblies here, and then there's cross-rail pieces that add the strength for the system. Now this system again is over-engineered for strength and reliability. There's no swaying in the wind, there's no boring of any points of attachment, none of that happens. So when you couple the way we install with our roof leak protection warranty, which your sales rep can talk to you about, those two things are going to protect you and they're going to protect us for that install. So if the current bids that you're getting from companies are not installing your flat roof system this way, don't walk. Run to a SunUp America representative or dealer representative today. Thank you.